This lesson we learn about a special type of water, bīng, ice, also known as the two-dot water radical. The earliest form of the two-dot water was the image of frozen ice crystals. Its original meaning was to freeze. This character was also the earliest form of the word for ice. Later, bīng was written as we see it today. As a radical, it's often written as two dots, placed on the left side of characters, because it resembles the three-dot water radical. It's called the two-dot water radical. Characters made with this radical relate to freezing and cold. There aren't many characters with this radical. Let's look at a few typical examples. First, look at the modern character for ice, bīng. It adds shui, water to the two-dot radical, meaning water frozen into ice. Bīng originally meant water, 凝结成冰, freezing into ice. Second, let's learn lēng, cold. Lēng is a later character. Right bīng indicates sound, left two-dot radical indicates relation to cold. Lēng originally meant temperature low. Similar to lēng is dōng, freeze, which is bīng plus dōng. It means stiff, hard. Originally meant very hard, 凝结的冰. Third, learn Han, cold. Han's earliest form was a vivid picture of keeping warm in winter. A person stands inside a house, surrounded by thick dry grass, with 2 blocks of ice under the feet, indicating winter. Han originally meant cold. The ice at the bottom, written with 2 dots, is slightly different from the left two-dot radical. Note, the cyan 堵塞 duze block was originally different from the top of Han. It depicted 2 hands holding a tool for building a wall. The top parts of these 2 characters were written identically, but their origins and meanings are completely different. Now let's talk about dōng, winter. Dōng's earliest form was a silk thread with 2 knots tied in it. Knots on the thread meant the weaving was finished, meaning an end, conclusion. Winter is the end of the year, so this character was used to represent it. Later, to represent winter's characteristic, ice was added below, becoming the dōng we see today. This highlighted winter's feature, but the meaning of end became hard to imagine. So, the silk radical jiao was added next to dōng, emphasizing its relation to silk, becoming dōng, end. Zhōng is used to mean the end. This character is a good example, showing how ancient Chinese characters constantly added radicals to clarify their meanings, becoming more complex.